In today's video, I'm going to teach you lock aspect ratio. If you've ever resized an image and ended up with a stretched or squished look, this is the simple fix that keeps your picture looking clean and proportional every time you adjust its size. Start by clicking to select the image you want to resize. You should see selection handles appear around it, which confirms it's active. Now, open the sizing controls. The fastest way is to right-click the image and choose Size and Position. If you prefer using the ribbon, go to Picture Format and then select Size. Either option brings up the same place where we'll make the change. In the dialog or pane that appears, look for the option labeled Lock Aspect Ratio. Turn that on. This tells your app to maintain the relationship between width and height so the image never distorts as you scale it. If you notice it's already checked, you're good to go. Leave it on for that image. Think of this as a safety catch that prevents accidental stretching. With lock aspect ratio enabled, you can resize precisely. Change either the width or the height value. Don't worry about both. As soon as you adjust one, the other updates automatically to keep the image in perfect proportion. This is especially useful when you need to fit an image into a layout without guessing or eyeballing the size. For exact control, enter the measurement directly in the size dialog. You can type the size in inches, centimeters, or pixels, depending on what's most convenient for your project or what your document requires. For example, if you need the image to be 3 inches wide, type 3 in. If you work in metric, type a value in cm. If your workflow is pixel-based, enter a pixel count. The dialog will respect the unit you provide and handle the math for the other dimension automatically because aspect ratio is locked. A quick tip: locking the aspect ratio prevents future distortion, but it won't undo distortion that's already there. If the image looks off before you lock it, set the correct size with the lock turned on so every change from that point stays proportional. That's it. Select the image, open Size and Position or the Size pane, turn on Lock Aspect Ratio, and then set either width or height using your preferred units. You'll get clean, professional results with none of the stretching or squashing. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.